Is that on play?
Yeah, it is.
Get the baby! Wait!
Okay. Just relax. Keep talking. Okay.
Daddy, we have a big surprise. Look at your face. And I mean big. We found something in the tree. And it's weird. Weird, yes. It's between a duck and a bird.
Yeah, we don't know what it is. Okay.
Well, it has kind of like a beak, but we don't know what it really is, a duck or a bird. Hold this.
Okay, let's show them.
All right.
Okay.
Experiment 1.
Bring it down. Bring it down. Let me get in close.
It's birds.
Oh, my focus is going out of focus.
Oh, man. Birds. Right there. Quack, quack,
Yeah, my focus isn't in focus.
quack,
so.
quack, is it? Quack, 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 quack. Baby birds. Quack,
Let me use my map.